So if you're looking for a pre-manufactured home, for those that live in California, San Francisco, everywhere, this is a perfect way to actually not build it, but have it pre-built for you. One of those things that I like about these pre-structure is that you buy land, you have to go through the process. Of course, every single county and district has their own rules, so it might change with that. So before you even look into something like that, just make sure that you're aware about those rules. Buying the pre-manufactured thing. The reason is that I just met a gentleman that bought one of these units and is having issues installing because there's different rules in every city and every county. So now he's kind of asking for legal help, which I'm not able to do any of that stuff. But just before you hit and buy one of these, don't get too excited. They look beautiful and everything. They always come with some conditions. So look at that first.
This is the problem I have a few years ago until right now because I cannot sell it. No, I bought prefabricated house. Doesn't mean 空调还要自己。
Hello boss, is my factory.
These three, like one each, like this one, smaller individual one.
13,000.
13,000, and this one?
25,000.
25,000?
20,000.
20,000? Okay. This one has more square footage. What's the square footage on this one?
Yeah, 38.
38, and this one's smaller, is probably
About 30.
30. And square footage on this one?
About 60.
60. Look at this one, guys. This is a smaller unit, but the demo is beautiful in here. Presentation is perfect. All these different models that they have.
Yeah. How much is something like that?
This one's the 40,000, 40,000.
Do you guys export to Europe too?
So here we have a pre-built construction. A lot of these products are pre-built, come in set up already. Even bathrooms are coming out like that. Let me show you guys some of the stuff that's coming out. Look at that. Fixtures are already set up, pre-manufactured. All you got to do is set them up with the piping, electrical, rooms, bathrooms. And now they're going into the pod, the giant pod. This one where you just saw the little demo right now, this is about 40 grand. Different shapes too. Now, the structure that we just saw right now, it's about 40,000, 40,000, but might change with retail and shipping and all that. So right now, as is, what I heard from her coming out, the quotation was 40 grand for the actual model we just saw. But that's the largest one they have, and for that price, it's not that bad. So this one has the little model you guys see. It has air conditioner, it has solar, one bedroom on the top, stairways on the side.
What about if you use only one floor?
You can have a patio.
After the show, I tell you, because this one's our new model.
22,000 on this one. Beautiful. One bedroom, One den.
It can be two
It could be 2 bedrooms too. Yeah. Condition. What's square footage on this one?
About approximately 400 square feet.
400 square feet, guys. Approximately. This is beautiful. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.